Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GNCP. We'll take a look at the daily time frame. Don't believe I've ever done this one before, but had some questions come in on it, and a very interesting looking chart here. Obviously today wasn't the most probably attractive thing that you wanted to see, but regardless, want to get the chart at least talked about here so everybody's got an idea of what you want to see happen going forward from the technical perspective. So the big thing that happened over the past 2 days, not counting today, was the price in relation to this purple line here, which is the 50-day simple moving average, a very key level within the world of charts and technical analysis. And you can see here that when it broke above it, that was a good thing, but then when it continued to separate from it, that was even better. Now today you can see there was a pullback. My guess would be profit taking. You had quite a few people, if you look down in this range, that were able to accumulate for shares, down in this range. So when they were up here, the price was over 100% gain for them. So it's looking like this profit taking turned into some panic selling, but the good news is it's still above and hanging right at the levels of support that you want to see it mainly. And level number one, which I talked about, is this 50-day. You can see right there, closed right at it. So ideally going forward, if the price can maintain above there, that would be what you want to see if this is really a genuine move. Lots of stocks can just make big moves like this, however then they end right up where they started. But a good sign of, is this a truly strong move, is going to be how it reacts around the levels of support. So while the 50-day would be nice, the one level that I would use as the kind of the make it or break it, kind of the do or die area, whatever you want to call it, is going to be down here at 0006. You can see, going back through the history of the chart, acted as support, acted as support. So there's quite a bit of history here, and you can see when the price did break above it here, that's when the run really did start. So 0006 is going to be the kind of the do or die level, but the 50-day would be the ideal level, meaning ideally what would make the chart look the strongest would be is if the price can maintain above this level right here. But if it doesn't, you still do have hope down here at 0006. So use those two levels to measure the strength of this upwards move, because remember, the price could still come down here, find support, and then head back up. And then when you would go to draw lows, this set of lows would be higher than this set. So when you would draw your trend line, you would be able to connect those lows and draw the uptrend line. And uptrends are the name of the game. So keep those levels in mind. In terms of resistances, just going to talk about the one on any sort of bounce. The first key level to get above is going to be right up here at 0014. So if price can break above 0014 on any sort of bounce, it could very easily then start to return back up to these previous highs up there. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting, or maybe you already use charts and are just looking for some advanced strategies, I'd encourage you to click on the image up above and look at some of our instant download video courses. They're both for beginners and advanced traders, and like I said, instant download, so you can literally get started on them today. They've been getting good third-party reviews and testimonials, so I'd encourage you to check them out. One more time, so it was GNCP. Thanks for listening.